In today's video, we're going to be talking about the $100 a day ads that I run and our clients run to scale their agency that replaces things like cold outbound, cold calling, endlessly DMing people looking needy and desperate who don't actually want to talk to you. Today, we're going to be talking about what those ads look like. I'm going to go over our actual ad strategy that we use with our clients so you can take that, implement that into your own video or creative agency and start growing your agency as soon as today. So let's go ahead and dive into it. I'm going to jump over to my iPad here, and first I'm going to show you, no shame or hate on this company. I'm going to show you an example, though, of what you should not be doing when it comes to running ads. So here's a perfect example of what you shouldn't be doing. If you look at this ad right here, obviously there's just no real value that's being provided. All we're talking about here is how they want this person to book full service production, video production. But if you're a client, if you're a business, you don't know what this means. You don't know what book full service video production even means. Get professional videos that drive business impact. What does business impact mean? Like what is business impact? Like what does that mean specifically? There's just no real clear like what this is, who it's for, what the problem is, what you're alleviating. There's just no substance there. And so like for this, I would hazard to guess this ad doesn't work very well because there's no clear call to action. It's just get a quote. You're saying general things like get professional video that drive business impact. There's nothing about getting leads. There's nothing about which videos you're creating. There's no unique mechanism to what it is that you're actually advertising, right? If I was going to switch this, I might say something like install our 10 video system to get more leads in your insert type of business, medical company or a chiropractic company or a home service company today, and use this to get more leads now, right? So that would be an example of something that's way more specific as opposed to just saying something very general and very vague here that really won't have much impact or resonance with the person that is hearing it. And I have a good example. It's like if you're in a crowded restaurant and somebody says, hey, like, you're not going to stand up because it's not specific to you. Whereas if someone says, hey, Eric, like you're going to stand up and be like, hey, who said that? And all the Erics in the restaurant are going to stand up. Whereas with this is very bland. It's, hey, businesses. This is the equivalent of just like a hey, instead of a hey, you, I'm calling out your pain points. And when you are more specific with a pain point, you get a better response because you're being more specific with the person that you're trying to reach. And so let's talk about what the actual ad system looks like. There's been updates to the ad platform the past couple of years. The most recent one is called Meta Andromeda. But the way you want to think about your ads is you want to come up with what we call angles, right? And angles are basically just reasons why someone buys. That's it. That's all it is. Don't overcomplicate it. So you're going to think about, okay, who do I serve? First off, I serve home service companies. I serve medical companies. I serve professional services companies. I serve all of these people or one of those people, right? And then I'm going to think about what are all the reasons that somebody is going to buy from me. So I'm going to think of 15 to 20 different reasons why somebody's going to buy from me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an individual ad for each reason. So like pretend this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. And each one is going to be a completely unique ad that talks about a reason. Now, what we used to do is we used to do like hooks and bodies and CTAs. The difference now with Meta Andromeda and what it really wants is it wants unique, diverse creatives. So each ad is a full ad on a different reason why somebody would work with you, right? And one of our coaches, Evan, put together this really good matrix for our clients. I won't share it with you, obviously, because it's only for our paying clients, but there's reasons, and then there's different formats that you can still make another reason into. Sorry for my horrible handwriting, guys. You're just going to have to handle it and deal with it. There's different formats. Right? So a format you could have is like a B-roll ad, a testimonial ad, a talking head ad, a static ad. And you can basically say, okay, great, this is my one reason, but now I have 5 different formats that I can make this into, and now I have 5 different ads. So 5 ads here, right? And same thing with all these 15 to 20 reasons. So you're going to want to do 15 to 20 reasons. And then you're going to want to make multiple formats on each one of those reasons, if that makes sense. And so then once you have all of these ads, this is something obviously we help our clients with, but I'm oversimplifying it here for you in YouTube because you're watching a free YouTube video. But once you have all those reasons, all the formats, all the different reasons why somebody would work with you, then what you're going to do is you're going to do a CBO campaign. This is something we set up for our clients as well, but I'll just explain it to you here. CBO campaign, You're going to do one ad set, and then you're going to put all of those ads within that ad set. That's it. And you're going to put all of those in. And what Facebook is going to do is Facebook is going to find, this is our ad, it's going to find the right people and use these ads in different orders. So some of them, it's going to use it as top of funnel. Some of it, it's going to use as middle of funnel. And some of it, it's going to use, horrible handwriting here, hold on, as bottom of funnel, right? And then this one, pretend this is top of funnel. Your top of funnel ads, it's going to work together as a system, right? So it's going to say, okay, great. I'm looking for this person here to, let's say, book a call with me for my agency. This is this person, they're happy because they just booked a call. It's going to say, okay, great. It might need to put, Facebook basically knows what order to put the ads in front of this person in to get them to take the desired action that you want them to take. So in this instance, let's say it's top of funnel. They put a top of funnel ad, then another top of funnel ad, and then a middle of funnel ad, and then a bottom of funnel ad. And then finally on this bottom of funnel ad, they click and then they book the call. What most people are gonna see is that, the top of funnel is spending a bunch of money here, right? The middle of funnel is maybe spending a little bit of money, and then the bottom of funnel is spending very little money. But this one's getting all the conversions, all the calls. And it looks like these two are not doing very well, right? But what's really happening is Meta is putting these ads in front of different people in different sequences, and it only looks like your bottom of funnel ad is the one that's working because it's where the call is getting attributed to. But really the people are seeing this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then that's adding up to them then taking an action and booking the call with you. But you don't see that because you're only seeing the bottom of funnel get the call. And so what a lot of people do is they're like, oh, I'm gonna turn off this one, when in reality, that's the wrong thing to do because then it's gonna kill the entire campaign. And I'll leave you with this. Now that you have all these reasons and different variations and creative diversity of different ads, your ads work in like a spider web, right? So they all are interconnected. And so like these are all different ads, these dots, right? And then these ones branch off into these two, and then this goes over here. Like it's an entire ecosystem. And so if you start turning things off, you basically break the ecosystem, essentially. And so obviously we help our clients set this up. We look at your ad account. We make sure that everything's set up properly. We make sure that you're getting everything set up. So like if you don't want to learn this stuff, that's fine. I'm just teaching people who do want to learn this stuff and want to understand a bit more. But this is how ads are run these days. And so it's not, you can't run a campaign on one single ad. And, unfortunately for this company, I looked up their ads. They only had like 2 or 3 ads running. They're going to probably shut off their ads and be like, oh, the ads don't work. It's like, it's because of the concept we just talked about here. And so hopefully this is helpful for you guys. If you want to learn more about how we can actually help you do this and set this up for you, so you don't have to learn all this stuff yourself, which I've spent over almost $5 million on my own business in just meta ads to learn these lessons that you're getting here for free on YouTube, and that we pass down to our actual clients that we work with. But if you want someone to actually set this stuff up, like click the link below, schedule a call. We'll see if we can help, and we'll see you in the next video.